What's up, guys? Justin here with the SketchUpEssentials.com. So in today's video, we're going to talk about one of the top tips that came out of the Brightman SketchUp Summit when it comes to managing your camera views in SketchUp. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. Okay, and so one of the things that we run into is a lot of the time, especially when we're creating things like plan views, we need the camera to be in the same location across multiple scenes, right? And we need that for a few different reasons. One of the best and biggest is sometimes you want to be able to toggle between like a color view and a black and white view, and it's really helpful if you have both of those scenes in the same location. And you can see how this one we don't. So one of the other workflows that we have is we also sometimes stack a line work layer on top of like a raster layer so that we only have to render the line work as vector over in layout. So there's a lot of different reasons why you might need the exact same camera location. I'm going to show you two ways to fix non-aligned camera views in SketchUp, and then they'll also align in layout. So in this case, if you just have one view to fix, right? So if your only issue is you've got your black and white plan view versus your color plan view, what you can do is you can start with the view that you want. So in this case, I want this view right here. Well, now if I single click on this view right here, notice how it's transitioning to this second camera location. Well, if I just go up to camera previous, right, it'll pull whatever the previous camera view was, and that'll be what's in your viewport. Then you just have to right click and you just have to update like this. Now these have the exact same camera view. Now that works great if you only have like one, maybe two views to fix. But say you've got all these different views that are all in the wrong place, right? You want them all to have the same camera view. Well, what you do is you go over and you pick whatever the view is that has the camera view that you want. Well, then you can go over into your scenes, in your scenes tab in your outliner right here, and you can pick all of the scenes that you want to update the camera view in, right? So in this situation, it's basically going to be everything after this plan view color. And you want to be careful because you are going to be changing the camera view on every one of these. So you want to make sure that you don't accidentally select something where you don't want to change the camera view. But then if you right click and go to update scenes, notice how this gives you the option to set what properties to update. Now this is really important because you don't want to update anything but the camera location. So what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to uncheck all of these boxes. Might be best to save before you do this, just in case you select the wrong thing, because this will also update all of the other settings and styles and things like that. So if you don't want those, make sure that the only thing that you leave checked is your camera location. But now with all of these scenes selected, if I click on the option for update, it's going to go through and it's going to update the camera location for every one of those scenes. Now, if I click across this, like this, every single one of those has the exact same camera location. And so what that means now is if I hop into a layout file right here, right, you see how I had all this misalignment because I'd accidentally updated those scenes to have the wrong camera location. Well, now if I just go back, and we want to make sure that we save our SketchUp model first before we do that. So we're just going to do a file save right here. And then we go over into layout and we update this model right here, and we got to give it a second to think. And so now when that updates, all of those different scenes align. All right, so that's where I'm going to end this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know if this worked for you. I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.